Hello everyone and welcome to another SEO tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to index a new website in Bing Webmaster Tools. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Job number one, we need to first create a Google Search Console account for this website. We need basically to submit this website in Google Search Console. This is not only because Google is the biggest search engine and Search Console is the most important tool, but because we are going to use this listing here in Google Search Console and we're going to import it in Bing Webmaster Tools. So my recommendation is to start from Google Search Console. And if you already have it, that's great. If you don't, you're going to come here, you're going to say add property. And either you're going to add your domain here. So you are going to place the domain here without HTTP, www, all of these things. And the system will basically tell you how to proceed and what are the changes you need to make on domain name servers to verify the website is yours. It's very simple. Or you're going to go with URL prefix. The system will give you a code that you're going to insert in your website, and that's how you're going to register your website with Google Search Console first. Now that this is done, then you're going to come here to Bing Webmaster Tools. You're going to click on the top left-hand side. You're going to say add a site, and the easiest way to do it is to import from Google Search Console. So you're going to say import here. You're going to continue. The system will prompt you to connect to your Google Search Console, and all you have to do is to simply select the right account, right? So once you basically log in here, we're going to select the right account, and that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to import a website from Google Search Console to Bing Webmaster Tools, and how to add basically a new website in Bing Webmaster Tools. The number one easiest way to now, after you import, there are a couple of really important steps to take. First of all, you're going to go to sitemaps. Either you're going to click here or you're going to go on the left hand side and click on sitemaps. Then you're going to say submit a sitemap. If you go to your website and type /sitemap.xml, you are going to see your sitemap URL. Then you're going to copy this URL. You're going to come here. You're going to submit it. And that's it. So now Bing Webmaster Tools is going to process all the pages on your website. And now you are done. One more thing that you can do is you can go to URL inspection also. You can go and at the very minimum, you can copy, for example, your homepage. You can put your homepage here. You can say inspect. The system is going to scan the URL. It's going to say there is coming from AI tools and so forth. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description.